I was just on the phone with President Biden, and he shared his deep disappointment at not being able to join us this afternoon. The President has been at many events, as we all know, and he just tested positive for COVID.
Di antara banyak sumber informasi, kami layak dipercaya. Karena kami menggali lebih dalam, berpihak pada kebenaran, berpegang pada data dan fakta, agar layak Anda jadikan referensi. Kompas TV, independen, terpercaya.